Well, welcome to The Homeschooling and to The's Video Open House. My name is Brett Bowers, and I'm the director here at The Homeschooling. I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this introductory video, in which I want to introduce to you briefly The and also homeschooling here in Alberta. The has been in Alberta serving homeschool families since 1992, and we'd love to have you join us here for the next school year. The has created these videos in our video open house to help answer the question, how does homeschooling work and can I make it work for my family? So join me, if you will, for the rest of the discussion inside, upstairs in our office. As I mentioned while we were talking outside, one of the main reasons for having the video open house series is to answer the big question, how does homeschooling work? And in that big question are a host of other questions that range from the very basic from registration all the way to the very philosophical, like why should I homeschool? Why is this the right decision for our family? So we at The realize you have questions, especially if you're new to homeschooling, you have many questions and concerns. And we've tried to address as many of those concerns as we can think of. We've organized our video series into 10 different categories, again, ranging from the very basic and hands-on, from getting started, all the way to, like I mentioned before, the philosophical, and also videos that specifically focus on things that we do uniquely here and specifically here at The. So please take your time, go through our videos, look for those things that address your concerns. If you don't see a video there that is addressing a concern that you have, please contact us, and we'd love to talk to you and maybe even make a video about it. So again, we hope that these videos are helpful to you.